So I don't know if the camera can see, but in there's a tornado of bugs. And it's not looking good. It's not looking good at all. Especially if I stepped out there. You can't see it from here, but you notice there are thousands and thousands upon thousands of bugs swarming in the midst of battle. It's awful. Absolutely awful. If I stepped out there, I'd pee my pants because they'd all come and eat me alive. If those trees look like they're being electrocuted or moving, that's bugs. It's just thousands upon thousands of small bugs.